How to create a group chat on Snapchat. How to create a group chat on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a group chat on TikTok. So to do that, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your mobile device and then simply go to inbox, which is near the bottom right side of your screen. Now once you've done that, simply tap on this option on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will see all of your friends over here. So if you want to create a new group chat, all you have to do is simply select more than one friends over here. And now when you only select one person, it will show chat, but if you select more than one, it will show start group chat. So simply tap on the option start group chat, and once you've done that, as you can see, you have successfully created a group on TikTok. And now you will be able to see the members, you will be able to send TikToks in a group. So that is basically how you create a group chat on TikTok. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.